Hi everyone, I'm Mark Hukill. I'm here with PTC TV. I'm the program advisor for PTC'16, help coordinate putting the entire program together. I'm here with Professor Mark Chun. He is the Associate Dean at the Business School at Pepperdine University. Welcome, Mark.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Nice to have you here.
Thanks.
We're going to talk a little bit about the Young Scholar Program,
Okay.
a program that has started, I can't even remember, a number of years ago. Tell us about what this is at PTC.
So we're excited to each year host what's called the Young Scholars Program. The Young Scholars Program is specifically for students who are finishing their PhD programs and who have really great research that's related to the Pacific telecommunications industry. What we do is we try to find students across the globe, domestically and internationally, who have really interesting research, and what we try to do is give them a platform to share their research with the other academics as well as the people in the technology industry here at PTC.
So how do you select these students?
It's a fun yet a very rigorous process. So we ask each of the students to provide us copies of their research papers or dissertation, and what we try to do is find out if it's, first of all, if it's a good fit for the PTC, and then when it is, we ask the students to apply via PTC, and the website is ptc.org/young scholars.
You beat me to it.
I beat you to it. But we ask them to apply, and it's a good home for them to meet other people.
Very good. So these are students who are either currently working on research or are just recently graduated, is that it?
It's primarily for students who are ready to graduate, because one of the objectives of bringing the young scholars here to PTC is to give them an opportunity to showcase their research in case there are other industry members who might be interested in joining their research. We have had a few students who have held postdocs who have applied, and we've accepted them to
Excellent.
this program.
Excellent. So once they've gone through this test and review and they've actually been selected,
Yeah.
What happens? How do they get here?
Magic happens. It is it's a full scholarship for them to come to PTC here in Honolulu, and what we do is we buy their airfare, we pay for their hotel rooms, and we pay for their registration, and we do give them some money for meals. And we want to make sure that they're well taken care of, and we just want to integrate them here at PTC.
So the full package, and then they get the benefit of the full conference.
And they get to meet a lot of people while they're at it.
Wow, that's great. Who's been coming? Where have these students been coming from?
Interesting question. So we've had students from around the world. Here domestically, we've had students from the University of Southern California, Penn State University. We've had a lot of international students from India. We've had students from Singapore. We've had students from Korea and Japan. So we try to get a good, diverse, select group of students to represent what's happening in the research field.
Fantastic. And then once they're here, what are their opportunities to present their research?
So they have a couple of opportunities to present their research while they're here. The first thing that we start them off with is a panel session. So each of them create these panel boards, and it's like speed dating. Okay. So what happens is they stand by their board, and all of the researchers have an opportunity to go to board by board to learn about what their research is. And then what we also do at PTC here is we place them in the program amongst all of the other presentations that's going on, and they have a chance to present their research to industry leaders.
So right along with others, even professors, other research scholars who are actually presenting here at PTC, and
That's
they're
correct.
right in a presenter right with them in their sessions.
They're right in the middle of
What
it.
an opportunity.
Yeah,
That's a fantastic opportunity
Yeah.
for them. Well, given all of that, are there also some prizes? I understand, I've heard there's some awards for the better ones.
You are absolutely correct. So there is a Meharu Juswala prize, which is a research award prize, and each year at PTC we select one paper to receive this prize, and it is a cash award prize for this, and the recognition for 1 year that you had the top research paper among hundreds of research papers
From
that
all
come
across the Asia Pacific, I
That's
understand.
correct. That's
wow,
correct.
That's an amazing honor.
And then there's a second prize that we also is specifically for students alone, and it's an O.S. Bronstein Award, and that is for any student paper that comes through that we pick, the research committee picks one paper of a research that is done by students, and then we give them an award, and it's also a cash prize.
That's amazing. So again, how does somebody apply for this program? You said it earlier, now I'm going to make you say it again.
Make me say it again. They go to ptc.org/young scholars.
Fantastic, Mark. It's really a pleasure to
Thank
have
you.
you here, and thanks for joining us at PTC
Thanks,
and
Mark.
PTC TV. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.